Hey guys, I hope you are well. Marco's here, and I just wanted to share with you one thing that I actually created not so long ago after watching a couple of videos on how to manage context and how to reduce the number of tokens that you use during the conversation with Claude, as well as, being more effective when you actually uh, code or you actually work with Claude itself. So as you can see, this is my terminal here. I'm using Claude Code, and as of now, I have just set this status line up. So I've seen many videos about it, and I'm just gonna share with you what I think it's actually good for you and what you can actually implement. So having a status bar like this is actually very important for you because it allows you to monitor different things. So you can see here that I have my model and my effort. So I'm using Sonnet 4.6 with a high effort, and then I have this bar here that is meant to represent the context window. And as you know, managing context and your context window is really important for you because you know that the more your context gets bigger, the more your conversation starts to become like weird and not correct with the agents. So, I mean, in technical terms, what happens is that your context become actually rot. So also here I have this other small tag that lists all the agents that are actually working at the same time in the session. So why I wanted to approach this status line this way. So I thought that I could add two important things to it. So of course, knowing the model, the effort is actually very important. Knowing the context is also important for you because you will also monitor this at all time. And this is very relevant for any conversation and any engagement you have with Claude Code. But the nice addition that I made was actually setting a color coding into this status bar here. So the status bar is actually green and stays green until I reach, I think, 160,000 tokens, and after that becomes yellow, and then when I'm approaching the 200k limit, it becomes red. So the idea behind that is fairly simple. So I want to, perform, conversation queries with Claude and stay within the green zone as much as I can. And when I'm approaching the yellow zone, that acts as a trigger for me to just, uh, you know, see what I can actually do in terms of managing my context, whether I can run an handoff session and then clear everything, or maybe just run a compact. So I hope that this is actually something that you can use and you can implement it. So the way I did this was simply just chatting with Claude and asking it to set it up. But if anyone wants, I'm happy to share the code with you. See you guys.